this is coming from the steering wheel. That's the steering gearbox.
Okay.
That bolt should have a nut on it,
Okay.
and it's a pinch nut.
Gotcha.
So it pinches the drive shaft onto the splines.
Okay.
So as you're steering, so potentially if you're driving, when that turns upside down, that bolt's gonna fall out.
Fall out. Okay.
And then it's gonna come disconnected, and then you can't steer. That's a scary feeling.
Yeah.
Docking light or step light was disconnected. Which I'll fix that one because I can say I fixed one the easy way out here. Let's see. One is the drive shaft strap is missing a U-joint or a U-joint strap bolt. There's one here.
Okay.
There's one there. As a lot of you were fixing it while you're doing it, but these lines are touching right here. See these brake lines?
Yeah.